Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I am in Orlando. I am at Dezerland, or Dezerland. I don't know how you pronounce it, but we're going to give you a complete tour and show you all the fun things they have. This is the outside of Dezerland, and you will see there's a lot of cool cars. This is located on International Drive, kind of far down, but if you GPS it, you will find this. You can also look on the website for more information. Now, there's some cool cars throughout the place, and they start just before you even went into the building. I love cool cars, and I love looking at all of them. Now, this is inside the building because they're inside and they're outside. They are throughout. Now, this is considered an action park because there's a lot to do, and you're going to have a lot of fun if you go to Orlando and go here. You now only need to go to Disney and Universal. This is a fun place as well. Look at all the cool cars. There is a museum, which I will tell you about later. You can also get something to eat. We had this pizza, which was made in 3 minutes through a special oven. It's kind of expensive for a small pizza, but it's something you probably will never do otherwise. Here we are, we ate some of it. There are many other types of restaurants as well, whether you like Mexican or just sandwiches. Now, there's a lot of attractions. Here's a long list: bowling and arcades and jumping and all kinds of things. You'll see right now a lot of the places weren't open. We went during the day, during a weekday, but probably during the week and in the evening there is more. Look at that, simulates a roller coaster. How cool. Well, look up and down, you'll see all kinds of different kinds of stores and restaurants. There's a burrito place, I told you, and our pizza place was over here, and all kinds of food that you can think of. And there's places to sit, there's benches right there. Now, next what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you a little bit of the karting, because if you want a go-kart or you want a bumper cart, this is a great place to go. It's a lot of fun, and there's 2 different courses, and here is one of them. Now, there wasn't people on the day at the time that we were there, but there was later on during the day. So we're going to show you what some of those are like. It looks like a lot of fun. Something if you haven't done before and you want to do something different when you're in Orlando that you are really going to enjoy. And throughout the building, they have such interesting cars and stuff. Do you remember this Mad Magazine guy? Yeah, he kind of looks like Ron Howard, doesn't he? They have military vehicle. This one is called the Eisenhower. You can take a lot of great pictures here. It's a great place for photo ops. And if you want to take some selfies and send them to your friends, show them all the cool things you're doing in Orlando, this is another fun place. Look at that. That's like a rocket. Look at how that takes off. Want to go to the movies? They have a Cinemark right here with all the latest movies. Maybe there's something you want to see. Now, to the left over here, look at that. Glow in the dark. They have mini golf and all kinds of cool things. It's called the Putting Edge. Look at how everything glows. Now, that's a fun time, and the kids were really having a blast. There is also a wonderful arcade. There's several different arcades in different spots, and they're all related. And this one right here that I'm showing you is where all the pinball machines are. And let me tell you, they have all the pinball machines you can ever want. Most recent ones as well as vintage ones. So if you're into pinball, make sure you take a stop here. And you could pay for all day or just 1 hour at a reasonable price. And that's always a good thing because they can get expensive. If you remember the 80s, you will know that these things will take your money quickly. If you enjoy browsing for some new, different, unique, interesting things, this is a great place to go. Look at all these soda bottles from all over the place, and they had some interesting kinds. Some were even from New Britain, Connecticut. And here are different kinds of candy bars. What kind of candy bar are you looking for? Well, they seem to have everything that you can think of. Look at that variety. Next, what I'm going to show you is Excelsior. Have you thrown an axe? Have you thought about that? I've seen it. I've never done it, but we watched some of the employees practicing, and it looked like it was a lot of fun. What else do they have? Well, do you want to go shopping for leather and jewelry? And they even have an outdoor world. You can get into that from the opposite side, from outside. Now, there are some more cool cars and scenes that they have. It looks to me like this military guy was in a Jeep, and I don't think he made it. That giraffe maybe got him. I don't know. So let's continue to walk because I want to show you this whole place. And it is open at 11 a.m. And I'm not sure to what time it's open to at night. You'll have to look it up, but I believe it's 11 p.m. Now let's look at some more stores. That was Rocket Fizz. And let's see what else we have. Oh, look at, you want some Coca-Cola? This guy who owns the store bought a whole Coca-Cola collection, and he has displays outside the store. They were fascinating. Now, there's a lot more cars to look at. Here is a Bond exhibit, and that is part of the car museum. It costs $25 to get into. I'm not going to take that video because I want you to go in and see what it's like. We'll show you a little bit more, though, from it. And here, these cars you can drive around. I believe you can drive them around for $30. I saw people at one time driving a couple of them around, and they looked like it was going to be a lot of fun. Now, over here, they have the Flintstones exhibit. All the different kinds of Flintstone cars. I absolutely loved this. This is probably one of my favorite things to look at. So I'm going to let you take a look. Have you ever wanted to bounce on a trampoline? They have all kinds of things like that going on, and they look like they're fun as well. Here is the second arcade. I'm not sure how many there are. This one is huge. It doesn't have pinball machines. It has everything else you can imagine. We're going to take a quick walk through so you can see it all. Maybe you're into bowling. Have you ever thought about bowling here? It's not cheap, but it looks like it was a lot of fun. There was quite a few people bowling, and they all were having a blast. This is a great place, as well as Disney Springs has Splitsville, and that's a fun place to bowl as well. So you might want to give them both a try if bowling is your thing. So here are some more cars from the outside of the car museum before you go in. They tempt you with some really cool stuff. And the Bond Museum is part of it as well. There is the Bond Lounge as well as the James Bond exhibit. You can eat at the lounge as well as have a drink. But these are some of the things they show on the outside. And you can walk around there in different areas. They're going to show you. And it looks like it would be a lot of fun. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our videos. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up. If you are looking for discounted tickets to Orlando, please go to our description in the video. We do make a small percentage, but we are able to get you tickets to several things in Orlando at much lower costs. I hope you enjoy your visit to Dezerland.